Myth number 6, ISO will just make things more complicated with no real payback. Won't ISO just slow us down? Again, this is really a misunderstanding of what ISO requires. Some managers have worked in other companies that were ISO certified. Sometimes those companies were larger organizations. And in the past, ISO really was more complicated, especially when it came to the documentation that was needed. Now, the newest version, the ISO 9001:2015 standard, is much more straightforward. What's really required is a monthly meeting where your management team can take care of all the ISO stuff once everything is set up. There are two main benefits to all this: certification and improvement. Certification can get you new business. Improvement can make you better at what you do, but the improvement is not guaranteed. It takes effort, mostly from management. You can get a lot of payback if you're willing to use ISO for what it's intended for, and your customers should take notice.